Hey, what's up, guys? So I finally got around to putting in some HIDs in my Avendator lights on my Focus ST, and this is what they look like. Fucking nasty. So much better than the stock bulbs that these lights originally came with when they were shipped to me from DNA Motoring. And then I first replaced them with Sylvania ZXE bulbs or something like that, and those look pretty good. I'll show you what those look like, because I took those out and put those in my high beams. So now those are my high beams and those are my low beams. All right.